Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class mathematics. This is trigonometry. I was doing 11.1. 11.1, 5 sums I have done. Now let me do the sixth sum, that is in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ if angle A and angle X are acute and cos A is equal to cos X. Then show that angle A is equal to angle X. This is almost, it is a type of a problem which you have already learnt in example. This is just like example sum, children. So what is the example sum here? The example sum here is same way they have given two angles as equal. We need to prove. They have given there in example sine values they have given, but in this problem they have given cos values. So let us see how it has to be done. See, this is one triangle and this is another right angled triangle. So in this, A and X are acute. So ABC is a triangle in which A is acute and XYZ is another triangle in which angle X is acute. Now we need to prove, they said that cos A is equal to cos X. What is cos A? Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then what is cos X? This is also adjacent side, xy by xz. They have given that cos A is equal to cos X. This is given. Therefore, what you will be saying? AB by AC is equal to xy by xz. This can also be written as AB by xy is equal to AC by xz. I have just changed these positions so that I can get corresponding sides of two triangles. AB is this side, xy is this side, AC is hypo, xy is also hypotenuse of that. So we could prove that a set of exterior angles, a set of what a corresponding sides are equal. We are able to, we got it. We did not prove it, but we got it how? By with the help of this cos x is equal to cos A is equal to cos x. With the help of this, we could get this. Now, see children, in triangle ABC, we have talked about AB and AC, but we didn't talk about BC. And here also, we have talked about xy and xz, but we didn't talk about yz. We know that if we could prove that these two triangles are similar, then we can prove that angle A is equal to angle X. But to prove that two triangles are similar, we need to prove that the corresponding sides are proportional. So in this, one set of corresponding sides we are able to prove. So what we need to prove? See, we have talked about AB, XY, AC, XZ. Now we have to prove that BC is equal to YZ. So let us concentrate on BC. In triangle ABC, what is, we have got angle B is equal to 90 degrees, of course, we know that. So what is BC? BC is equal to root of AC square minus AB square. But see children, here when you are saying AB by AC is equal to, here little bit I want to write here children, if AB by AC is equal to xy by xz is equal to k, let us suppose that. What does this implies? AB by AC is equal to k. That means AB is equal to KAC, and also xy by xz is equal to k. This implies xy is equal to kxz. So let us keep that. So now we are doing the next part. So here this is a little bit away I will be doing so that you will have a clear idea about it. So let me see the next part of it. The next part we are talking about in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So we want BC. I told you no, we need to prove that BC by xz. These two sides are also proportional, we have to prove. So BC is equal to root of AC square by AB square. Why is it? Because we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So basing on this, BC square is AC square minus AB square. So BC is root of AC square minus AB square. That means root of AC square minus C. What is AB we have got? KAC. So I'll write KAC whole square by, so AC square, AB square is equal to KAC whole square means what are we getting? This is nothing but root of AC square minus K square AC square. So in this we can take out AC square as common, root of AC square into 1 minus K square. So this AC square will come out of the root AC into root of 1 minus K square is BC value. So BC is equal to AC into root of 1 minus K square. Okay. Similarly, we have to go in triangle XYZ. Angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we need to find out YZ. YZ is equal to root of XZ square minus xy square. So same explanation children, so I need not write that, you will understand. So let me see the next part here. So what is xy I have written? Xy is kxz. So yz is equal to root of xz square minus kxz whole square, x capital. Okay, so this is nothing but root of xz square minus k square xz square. This x also capital I should write. So this means what? Root of xz square into 1 minus k square. So when you take xz out, root of 1 minus k square is xz value. Xz into yz is equal to xz into root of 1 minus k square. So let us write what is BC by yz. BC by yz. BC is nothing but AC root 1 minus k square by xz root 1 minus k square. 1 minus k square. So this and this will get cancelled. So BC by yz is equal to AC by xz. So here you see children, BC by yz is equal to AC by xz. See, AC by xz is also equal to AB by xy. So we can say that, what you can say? AB by xy is equal to AC by xz is equal to BC by yz. If you could, that means what? You have proved in these two triangles that the corresponding sides are proportional. AB by xy is equal to AC by xz is equal to BC by yz. We could prove that all the three sides, corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, we will be saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So if you could prove that when two triangles are similar, angle A is equal to angle X. This is how you have proved this, children. I hope I am clear. Please note it down. This is sixth problem. Now I will see seventh one. Seventh problem. Given cot theta is equal to 7/8. Cot theta is equal to 7/8. Then you have to evaluate first bit 1 plus sine theta minus into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is first bit. And second bit 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. These two we have to prove. So let us take a triangle. Let me write it as A, B, C. Let me take this as theta. So they have given that cot theta is equal to 7/8. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. That means tan theta is BC by AB. So this is AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to 7/8. That means we have to consider AB is equal to 7K and BC is equal to 8K. AB 7K and BC 8K. So in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Therefore, what you can say? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, AB square is how much? 7K whole square. AB is 7K plus BC is 8K whole square. So, this is 49K square plus 64K square. So 9 plus 1, 10 and 3, 11. 113 K square is AC square. So 113 cannot be, it is not a perfect square number. So AC is equal to root of 113 K square. That means root 113 K you can write. AC is equal to root of 113 K you will be getting. Now if it is 113K, then next AC is 113K. Now what you wanted to do? You need to find out the first bit is 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So let us continue that here. What is 1 plus sine theta? 1 plus sine theta is nothing but 1 plus, what is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. That means 1 plus, what is BC? 8K by 1 root 113K. K and K will get cancelled. So you are having root 113 as LCM. So you are getting here root 113 plus 8. This is 1 plus sine theta. So what is 1 minus sine theta? This is again 1 minus BC by AC, that is 1 minus 8k by root 113k. Okay, that means again root 113k root 113k minus 8. 113, here we can cancel, have just like we have cancelled there. If you cancel here, we don't get k here. 113 minus 8 you will be getting. So the next part is a 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. This is equal to, what is 1 plus sine theta? Root 113 plus 8 by root 113 into, this you are multiplying root 113 minus 8 by root 113. So when you are multiplying a plus b into a minus b, that is a square, that is root of a square 113 whole square minus 8 square by this becomes 113. So that means how much you are getting? 113 minus 64 by 113. So from 113, if you subtract 64, how much are you getting here, children? 9 here, 4 here. So 49 by 113 is sine theta, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus cos theta. Children, I don't have place, so if you please copy that, I'll rub this and I'll continue. Now, let me continue the next part. That is denominator I should do. Denominator 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is AB by cos theta. First let me write cos theta. Cos theta is AB by AC, that is 7k by root 113k. These two will get cancelled. 7 by root 113. So 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus 7 by root 113. This means LCM root 113. So root 113 plus 7. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus 7 by root 113, that is root 113 root 113 minus 7. So you need to multiply 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That is equal to root 113 plus 7 by root 113 into root 113 minus 7 by root 113. So this means what, children? A plus b into a minus b root, you have got under root 113 whole square minus 7 whole square by root 113 whole square. So this means you are getting 113 minus 49 by 113. So from 113, if you subtract 49, see 113, if you subtract 64, we got 49. So here you will be getting 64 by 113. So the question here is, the question that you have got is 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, no? 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to That is how much 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta? 49 by 113 divided by 64 by 113. That is equal to 49 by 113 into 113 by 64. These two will get cancelled. That is equal to 49 by 64. This is the answer. 49 by 64 is the answer for this sum, children. Please copy it. This is 7th sum. Next, 7th sum, one bit I have done. Now let us see 7th sum, second bit. So once again I have to draw the children. That is, this is A, B, C, this is theta. We have got second bit 1 plus the cot theta, all these values I have done, children. 8 cot theta means 7, 8 root 113. You have already got it, I have explained. So 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. So what is 1 plus sine theta? 1 plus sine theta by cos theta is equal to 1 plus sine theta is, this is, we have done k here, we have done. So sine theta is how much we can take? Sine theta is BC by AC, that is equal to 8k by root 113k. So k and k has got cancelled. 8 by root 113 we have got. So 8 by root 113 by cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is AB by AC, that is 7k by root 113k. K and k will get cancelled. 7 by root 113. So we will be writing it as 7 by root 113. So here you don't have any value to do it with that, only cos theta is given. So here in the LCM you are writing root 113. So here root 113 plus 8 by 7 by root 113. So how will you write it here, children? Root 113 plus 8 by root 113 into root 113 by 7. These two will get cancelled. Root 113 and root 113 will get cancelled. So you are getting root 113 plus 8 by 7. This is the answer for the second bit, children. Please note it down. This is 7th problem. Now children, 8th problem. In in a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and they have given tan A as root 3. Find sin A into sin C plus cos A into sin C, and second bit cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So what value they have given? Let us see. Tan A is root 3 they have given. So what is tan A? This is theta. This is tan A. Opposite side BC by adjacent side AB is equal to root 3. So denominator nothing is there means 1. So let us consider that let BC is equal to root 3k and AB is equal to 1k. That means this is 1k, this is root 3k. So in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Therefore, we want AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square basing on Pythagorean theorem. So this is 1k whole square plus root 3k whole square. That means 1k square plus 3k square, root 3 into root 3, 3. So 4k square you will be getting. So what is AC? It is 2k. So AC is equal to 2k we have got. Now we have first bit. Sin A into sin C plus cos A into sin C. Sorry, sin A into cos C, children, it is. Sin A into cos C. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. So sin A, what is sin A, children? BC by AC. Okay. Cos C. C cos. For this C cos means adjacent side. BC by AC. Same value you are getting here. Plus cos A. Cos A adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC into sin C. For this opposite side is AB by AC. So what is BC, children? Now BC is how much? Root 3k by AC. AC is 2k into again root 3k by 2k plus AB. What is AB? AB is 1k. 1k by AC 2k into again 1k by 2k. So in this case k. Of course, not only k. When you cancel this, root 3 into root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So take LCM 4. 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 4. This will be cancelled. So 1 is the answer for this bit, children. Please copy it. This is first bit. Now let us see the second bit. What is the second bit? Second bit is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So what is cos A? Cos A is AB by AC into cos C, that is BC by AC, minus sin A BC by AC into sin C AB by AC. So what is AB value? AB is 1k by AC is 2k into BC is root 3k by AC is 2k minus BC. BC root 3k by AC 2k into AB 1k by AC 2k. So k's will get cancelled. So you are getting root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 4 plus and minus will get cancelled. 0 is the answer for this problem, children. So this is the last bit of this exercise. So with this I am going to conclude my class, children. In the next class I will be doing the next part.